In this video today, I'm going to show you a very legit paying survey platforms that has been paying Nigerians, a lot of Nigerians currently in 2024. And as of the period you're watching this video, this platform is just new and still very legit. So the first thing you have to do is to go to Play Store. This is your Google Play Store, and dial in this keyword known as Hutzle app. So this is the Google Play Store. You're allowed to open and you search for the app known as Hutzle app. So let's search for the app known as Hutzle. This is Hutzle app, and you click on it and you allow it to open. This is Hutzle app. So I've downloaded the app, that's why I can see here open. It's already downloaded on my phone. So this is a platform where you can earn passive income by sharing your shopping experiences. So you can see here, if you check here, you can see how much someone has even earned on this platform. Now this platform has 4.9 star rating on Google Play Store with a 6k reviews with 500,000 downloads. That's to show you how really legit this platform is. Now if you want to check their reviews, so let's check their reviews and you see how many reviews they got on this platform. Let's check their reviews. I'm going to show you how many reviews they have on this platform and the kind of reviews they will be having. So this is the reviews that I've been having on this platform. As you can see here, these are beautiful reviews they have been having on this platform. It's game changer for freelancers and entrepreneurs. You can see here, you can see 5 over 5 star rating, 5 over 5 star rating on Google Play Store. So now what we'll just do is, after downloading this video, what you just have to do is click on open. So let's click on open. I'm going to take you through the step-by-step way in which you can sign up on this platform and you will start making your own money just by yourself. So if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejobajeno, medical student in the University of Calabar. And my channel will talk about how you can make money online, so total beginner in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And just like I've said, I'm going to show you a very legit platform that helps people earn money in 2024, and it's still very legit. So as you can see here, can see this is the opening of the platform. It says gigs at your fingertips. It says you earn at your own pace, and also you can also join a community of professionals. So for us now, we are not going to click on sign in because you have not registered on this platform. You can see a sign up. You can sign up with your Google Play account, or you can sign up with Facebook. Okay, sorry, you can sign up with your Google account, or you can sign up with Facebook. So let's just click on sign up. So okay, to sign up on this platform now, as you can see here, is the entire email address. Okay, so let me remove my phone from do not disturb mode. So you enter your email address. You say Elijah Evon. This is your password. You enter your password. Enter your password. You confirm your password again. This is the confirmation of your password. And since you don't have a referral code, we click on let's get started. So now an OTP will be sent to our registered email. So let's wait for this OTP to be sent to our email so that we'll be able to continue. So we are waiting for the OTP. Alright, so the OTP has been sent. So we're going to fill in our OTP now, line 371. That is the OTP that was sent to our email. So we allow it to load. So as you can see here, we have entered our OTP. So you have to enter your first name now. You have to enter your first name. So what's your first name? For you, enter your own first name. You click on submit. So as you can see here, this is the platform. Okay, so you can start to click on turn on. This to turn on your location, so you allow them access while using this platform. So as you can see here, this is the interface of the platform known as Hutzle. So you can see Ella, you can see gigs, you can see history, you can see wallet, you can see profile. So let's click on gigs because you are directly here for gigs. So as you can see here, this is the available gigs that is available online, and it says complete your profile. When you complete your profile, you'll be able to earn $0.001, and it just take you less than 10 minutes. As you can see here, this is also another gig that's available here. It says $0.25 that's available that you'll be able to earn on this platform when you complete these gigs. So you can also click on start now. Okay, it says you need to connect a payment account before starting to work on this task. Now this platform, you can connect directly your bank account in which you are using. It says connect your bank account and set up your account for withdrawals. Connect your bank account. It says select country, you are Nigeria, and here you allow it to open. So you select your bank account name. So any bank you are using, you select the name. For me, I'm using First Bank. I like to open. You enter your bank account number, and this is it, and you click on next. Please click on the red subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you love what I am doing here, and so that it can also help me grow. So you can see here, click on this start now. What you just have to do is to fill in your details, fill in your complete details on this platform, and you start earning. So it says last name, so you put in your last name, you fill in your date of birth also. So what you just have to do is you fill in your date of birth. Don't forget to check out this app. Drop your comment in the comment section so I will know anywhere you're having issue also on this platform, and I will be gladly guide you on how to go about it. So this is your display currency, any display currency you want. So you select your religion. If you're a Christian, you say I'm a Christian. Gender, you say you're a male. So marital status, for me I am single, but okay, I'll click on never married. So click on occupational status. You say I'm a student for you. Other details, select your monthly income. Just fill in your monthly income and you click on next. So this is just how you are going to go about it. You just have to fill in your infos, the info about yourself, fill in everything about yourself. As you can see, continuously just fill all the details you'll be asked to fill about yourself, and you earn this $0.001. And after that, you go to a second one which you'll be able to earn $0.25 continuously. So this is the profile. This is how the profile goes about. You can edit your profile. There's notification. You can also tend to refer your friend. So let's say you have a new survey that's available, so you can also refer your friend on this platform. And you'll be able to start making money. Like you can see, this platform is available on Google Play Store, available on the App Store, also available on the App Gallery. You can contact them at mappers.rwanzi.com. That is how you can get them on their website. So this is a new survey that's available. You can click on this open, and you'll be able to be getting surveys continuously on this platform. Just like I've said, this platform will get you to earn $0.25 when you complete this survey that is available for you. Now this survey is available for this time that's available is 6 minutes, and it's just available for 4 days. So you just have to go and check it out, and so that you can start earning on this platform. The name of this platform is known as Rwanzi, and just like I said, go to your Google Play Store or App Store or App Gallery, download this app known as Rwanzi app, sign up on this platform using your email, your first name, and your password, and we should be able to confirm your password. The referral code is not compulsory. Click on sign up, and you will start seeing surveys like this, in which you sign up on, you perform these surveys, and you will start making money. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on that red subscribe button so that you continue getting update from me anytime I drop a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.